Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, then click all. Thanks. Hi everyone, welcome back. I am here to show you how I did this stamping design here. I know it was from Christmas and it was my Christmas set, and I did several different stamps and I did film some of those for you, and I want to show you this one. It's a technique that if you're using a dark color, you can first initially stamp the design in white, and then you can come back in and stamp sections in colors, and that way the colors will pop for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and let you watch this technique. There will be subtitles throughout the video for you to read, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments below. I hope you enjoy the video, and thank you for watching. Bye.